rising sun, mixing the brew. The work's just begun. Concrete swirling, melting the core, building a fortress like life's at war. Sweat streams down, the crew moves as one. Foundations of fire, the floor weighs a ton. Iron rods twisted, veins of the beast, heat in the belly, a barn dough unleashed. Pour it high, build it strong. For a beating heart, churning chaos, the fiery grind. This barndominium will stand through time. Wrath of the earth in every pore. Hell on the ground, but it asks for more. Shovels scream, hammers crash with sound, pounding glory into the ground. Sweat-stained hands raise the floor's great power, a fortress born in a concrete hour. Pour it hot, build it strong. Concrete heat's where life belongs. A molten stage for battles to start, set in stone for a beating heart.